Hi, I am Apurva Sheth and I welcome you to this latest edition of Fast Profits Daily. Now, in my last video, I spoke about the secret behind choosing the perfect time frame for trading. Now, we took an example of a swing trader who wants to identify trading opportunities with gains of anywhere between 6 to 20%, and his time horizon would be anywhere between 3 to 20 days. So, such kind of trader should look at daily charts. His decisions for whether trading or not trading a particular stock should start with a daily chart. Once he confirms that the stock is worth his attention and capital, then he should look for weekly charts for confirmation of that stock. If the weekly charts also confirm that the stock is rising, then he must go and choose a lower degree time frame, that is a intraday time frame, for identifying entries and exits. So in this case, the daily chart becomes the chart of choice, and then he must go and confirm on the weekly chart. And once the weekly chart also confirms, he should go on the lower degree time frame and choose his entries and exits. So that's how a swing trader should look at charts. Now, a lot of times I have met people at the Equity Master Conference, and I have even received a lot of emails of people who want to start intraday trading. Now, a lot of them face this problem on time frames. Time frames for day trading. What kind of time frames should one use while day trading? So, a lot of times when I speak to these people, I have found one common mistake across all of them. Most of these traders start out as a swing trader, and once they are successful with it, they move to day trading. But day trading is where it gets complex, and the most common mistake that they make is that they directly shift from a daily chart. If a stock looks good on the daily charts, they would then try and trade the stock on a lower degree time frame, that is 5 minute or 10-minute time frame. Now, a stock would perform very differently on a daily time frame and on a 5 minute or 10-minute time frame, and it becomes simply impossible or very difficult to trade a stock on a lower degree time frame like 5 minute and 10 minutes. So identifying the stock on that time frame and trading that becomes very difficult. So you need a better process to start day trading. So in this video, I'll explain how one should go about picking the best or the ideal time frames for day trading. So you might have heard many people use 60-minute time frame for day trading. Well, that might be a good option for anyone who's trading forex, because forex markets are open round the clock. But for someone like who's trading Indian stock markets, the 60-minute time frame is not the ideal choice. I'll tell you why. Now, Indian markets are open from 9:15 to 3:30. That's a total period of 375 minutes. Now, you cannot divide 375 into equal batches of 60 minutes each. So, the best way to do is you can divide 375 by 5 and you'll get 75. So, you can divide 1 day's worth of trading into 5 equal sessions. Now, this is also important and useful because when you are looking at a daily chart or a week, when you are looking at a weekly chart consists of 5 days. So a week is divided into 5 days, and we are now dividing a day into 5 batches, 5 equal batches of 75 minutes. And then when you go on the lower degree time frame, you can again divide this 75 by 5, and you'll get a 15 minute time frame. And then once more you can divide 15 by 5 and you'll get a 3 minute time frame. So in this case, for anyone who's doing day trading, the chart of choice for that person would be the 15-minute time frame, and then he can go on a higher degree time frame like a 75-minute time frame to confirm whether the stock is worth his attention or not. And once he feels that the stock deserves his capital, then he can go on a lower degree time frame like a 3 minute time frame for identifying entries as well as exits. So that's how one could use these time frames with varying degrees for better analysis and trading. I'm sure this would help you a lot while you are trading. So that's all from me for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and this video helps you to better your trading and analysis. And in case it did, then please like it, share it, subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your friends and family who want to become better traders. Now, I'll also request you to leave your comments below this video and share your views on what kind of time frames you have been using, whether it is helping you or not. And you can also drop in your feedback on what kind of videos would you like to see in future. Would you like me to share more views on the time frames that one could use while trading and analysis? I'll be happy to help you on that if you are interested. So that's all from me for today. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Also, don't forget to sign up to our free newsletter, the Fast Profits Daily. If you sign up to this newsletter right now, then you would get access to this free guide, how to trade the markets like a pro. So don't miss this chance and sign up right now.